Welcome back, guys. So I ended the video instead of unpausing it, so I'm sorry. But I'm having issues with my machine. Okay, well that's weird. Before I couldn't get my machine wire to come out, and I was doing some checking and found that I burnt the end, so I'll do some welding. There is another video, and it is a little shorter than usual. Let's what happens. Well, it's welding way better. I'm gonna let this part cool down. So you'll get a other thing that needs welded. It's an engine cover for the front. Besides, this is, I'm pretty sure, is cast aluminum. So I don't know how it's gonna go, but this part right here welded pretty good. I don't know. Just some welding, but that's gonna be it today because it's gonna be the second part of that one video. So. Thanks for stopping by. Sorry I hadn't made this in 2 videos, but I don't know. I hope I remember that next time. Thanks for stopping by.